My name is Lacee McGee, Senior Alliance Marketing Manager at Veeam, covering Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. And today I'm joined by two great guests, Dante Orsini of iLand, SVP of Business Development, as well as Chuck Roman, Technical Marketing and Engineering Specialist at HPE. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, great to have you. So Veeam, HPE, iLand, we've all known each other for quite some time, but just for some background, Chuck, let's start with you. So you cover Nimble. We've had a long relationship. From your perspective, what do you think the biggest benefits of Nimble and Veeam are?
Well, we have some really tight integration between Nimble and Veeam. I think what we look at from an HPE standpoint are the advantages we have with the ability to back up from snapshots, the ability of Veeam software to orchestrate both the backups, snapshots, and replication, and our ability to do restores directly off of our hybrid flash arrays.
Awesome, awesome. And I know y'all made a lot of interesting announcements on Monday. Is there anything you can share with us?
Oh, absolutely. So last week we announced an update to our entire Nimble storage product line. Both the all-flash arrays and the adaptive flash arrays were updated with new models. The advantage of the current new models is faster controllers, higher capacity capabilities. They're also very modular, so we can very quickly update them with new technologies like NVMe, storage class memory, as those become available and roll out to the line. I think the exciting thing for Veeam customers is on our adaptive flash arrays, we've enabled deduplication on all of the models. So we have a wider offering that they can use as a secondary resource when they're deploying backup to our adaptive flash arrays.
Awesome, that's great. And Dante, longtime friend of Veeam and Nimble. I know you guys use this iLand. Tell us a little bit about why you decided to go down this path and the benefits you've achieved.
Well, Lacee, I mean, we've been working with Veeam for, gosh, it's been over 7 years now, right? I mean, initially providing managed backup, then we actually integrated Veeam into our secure cloud platform that we deliver globally, right? Really hosting business critical workloads. And by integrating backup into the platform, that's really where we started to work, really in depth with HPE. We're a huge Nimble shop. We leverage that for all of our production storage. And what's been interesting is that as we continue to grow together, to see the massive growth that Veeam's had, right? As a cloud provider, delivering service is all about meeting SLAs, driving the greatest levels of availability that we can, right? And keeping our customers happy. Now, sounds simple, but doing that at scale globally is not an easy task, right? So we're very thankful for some of the integration work that you guys have done together, and really taking advantage of what Nimble's done to innovate with InfoSight is unbelievably valuable to a cloud service provider, because to know, as a cloud organization, we run analytics on everything, but to know that Nimble has been doing this globally on every array for years really helps us drive the levels of availability that are paramount in delivering cloud services. So very thankful for the success we've had together.
Absolutely, it's been great. And as these new Nimble products that were recently announced, what do you expect to be the biggest benefit, or how do you see guys moving forward with those?
Yeah, so from our perspective, right, we've basically integrated Nimble as our core storage platform, right? And in delivering greater levels of security and compliance, there's certain things that are table stakes around encryption at rest and things of that nature. But again, it gets back to being able to operate at scale and highly automate and orchestrate the environment, right? So having the levels of integration from a backup perspective makes our lives a lot easier, right? Because meeting 100% SLA is a steep order, right? Now, some of the new announcements are very exciting because we leverage both the adaptive flash arrays, that's our base level of storage for our production customers, but we also leverage the all flash arrays. So for anybody that enjoyed the hands-on labs here at Veeam, we back-ended all that, and all of that was running on an entirely all flash array, right? 100% from the cloud. Been a great opportunity to collaborate on that. In fact, HPE is a great customer of iLand's, right? We actually deliver their training from our Lab Engine product on a global basis, right? So as we continue to push the envelope with these use cases, it's great to know that we've got flexibility in the different types and tiers of storage that we can present to a specific use case, right? And to see what's happening with Nimble and being able to drive even greater levels of performance, this market's going to continue to evolve, right? And Nimble's right there on the forefront, making sure that we can deliver.
Absolutely. Well, coming from Veeam, we definitely appreciate both companies. We have deep integration with Nimble spanning back to 2012. You guys won our Partner Impact Award of the Year, so definitely excited to continue the momentum as we move forward into the coming years. Well, thank you both so much for joining me. It's been exciting. We just finished our breakout session, and it's great to have you.